question, we are going to find out the distance between 2 points by using Pythagorean's theorem. ठीक है ना? As we know that in a coordinate plane, it's a x-axis and it's a y-axis. ठीक है? For example, if I mention these 2 points P and Q, both points are lying in the first quadrant. So 1, 2. 1, 2 is this point. 1, 2, 5, 5 is this point. Okay. This one is P and this one is Q. We have to find out the distance between these 2 points by using Pythagoras theorem. Point Q is 5 units away from the x-axis. Fine. Point P is 2 units away from x-axis. Means remaining distance is what? 3 units. Clear? This point is 1 unit away from this y-axis, and this point is 5 units away from y-axis. It means this remaining distance is what? 5 minus 1 unit means 4 units. So by using Pythagoras, you can see the triangle PQR, which is right angled at R. So by using Pythagoras theorem, you know the square of the hypotenuse, which is PQ. So PQ square is equal to QR square plus PR square, right? So PQ square we have to find out. QR square means 3 square plus 4 square. So PQ square is equal to PQ square is equal to 25. So now PQ is equal to what? PQ is equal to 5 units. And if we have to apply the distance formula between these 2 points P and Q. So coordinate of P is 1, 2 and Q 5, 5. We know the distance formula. So distance is equal to what? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. We will consider this one is x1 and this one is y1. Here this one is x2 and this one is y2. So x2 minus x1 means 5 minus 1 whole square plus 5 minus 2 whole square. So distance is equal to what? Under root 5 minus 1 is what? 4 square means 16 plus 3 square 9 root 25, and root 25 is equal to 5 units. You can check.